Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya, and if you're watching me for first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle, cooking and lot more. So today I'm going to do a impression video about nail paints, and I'm going to talk about a particular brand. So this is not at all a sponsor video. I am suggesting you this brand by my own experience. I use this brand in festive season, in regular days, or in any official events or anywhere. Whenever I have to go, I use this brand. This is a nail paint brand called Juice. They produce so inexpensive nail pins with variant of colors, and they have collection into shimmers, into mattes, into normal shiny ones. So I really love their brand. And as you know that whenever we buy some expensive nail paints, they cost us around 150 to 200 rupees. They are only selling it into 50 rupees, and there are some shops which are selling them for 55 or 60 rupees, but I prefer you to ask them that you get it in 50 and they will definitely give it to you. So this Juice brand is so inexpensive. And secondly, if you are a person who go to bazaars and buy nail paints, I also used to do that, तो आपको कलर तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था, बट अगर आप अप्लाई करते थे तो वो फेड हो जाता था, एंड आपको लेटर आपको ये फील होता था कि ओ माय गॉड, माय मनी इज़ टोटल वेस्टेड. सो गाइज, ये जो नेल पेंट है इसका स्टे बहुत अच्छा है, कलर्स बहुत सारे आपको मिल जाते हैं, और प्राइस आप देख ही सकते हैं, सिर्फ 50 रुपीज़ है. 50 रुपीज़ इज़ नॉट एट ऑल एक्सपेंसिव. और आपके पास कलर ऑप्शंस फेस्टिवल से लेकर आपके पास लाइक फंकी कलर्स भी होंगे, जैसा मैंने लगाया हुआ है. सो दिस इज़ फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन कलर. सो दिस इज़ वेरी फंकी. सो इस टाइप के कलर्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. आपको फेस्टिवल ओरिएंटेड कलर्स भी मिल जाएंगे, और अगर आपका टेस्ट थोड़ा ग्लिटर टाइप में है तो वैसे कलर्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. तो मैं ज़्यादा आपको नहीं दिखाने वाली, क्योंकि आई डोंट वांट टू मेक इट सो लेंथी, बट आई विल शेयर यू 5 shades here which are according to every event. So basically I have glitters, I have matte shades, and I have normal shiny ones. So this shade we call it a shiny one, where you get the gloss, right? And the matte one is which is doesn't going to give you any glossiness, that is matte. And the glitter one is where you have sparkles. So this is so understandable, but I'm against telling you. So first I'm going to show you a like newly bright type of a shade, or a Indian women's like of a shade. So that is a magenta color pink. So this shade and the packaging of the Juice looks like this. So the old packaging, there are 3 types of designs they have into the bottle. One is this one, second is this one, and the third is this bigger one. So it this bottles to tell you about the collection, what they have, the new one, the old one, or the glittery one. So they have for all of them. So this color is the magenta pink, and the consistency of the nail paint is so good. And you can see this is so flowy, and this doesn't have any cakiness, and you don't need to put all the thinner inside as you do it in the market ones. This is very flowy and very beautiful looking color, and these are so nail friendly, and it doesn't come out so easily. It will stay for like a week. It can stay if you are not working in a water. If you are a person who which works in a water, then 2 to 3 days it will stay. So this is the shade called Cardinal Pink 126. So 126 Cardinal Pink is a very beautiful color, and I used it on Karwa Chauth because my outfit was somehow a pink of a color. So I used it for Karwa Chauth. So let's talk about the shade which is quite trending these days, which is this purple color. So this is also from Juice collection. This is also a Shine On collection, and the name of this is, actually I have changed the cap from them. So earlier it was somehow a purple color shade, light purple, but the cap I have, it's from caramel because the cap was broken, so the shopkeeper have changed it. So this color is purple, and you can see how beautiful this color looks, and this is quite in trend these days. so I also brought this color, and it stays for longer time, which is the plus point. And all of them are, each you will get it for 50 rupees. So the other shade which I have already applied on my hands, this is very funky. Almost everybody applied it these days. It's so quite famous and popular color like this, and fluorescent pink. So the color name is lime green and the shade is 330. And this is also again from Juice. We are only going to talk about Juice. So yeah, and this is for like, the expiry date is till 22, so you'll be fine to use it for another 2 years. Your bottle will be sorted. And this color is looking so pretty. You can see yourself, I have a demo here. So I applied 2 coats for the louder color. You can apply single shade and it will turns out to be a transy green color. So this is a very beautiful shade, and you can try for these kind of shades also. So the fourth one is the matte collection. So the bottle is little different from the other one. This is a literally a little big bottle, and it has a very beautiful color. So from so many days I'm using this color only. That's why I did a little I feel like using something funky, so I'm using this green color. So the consistency again and the quality is so good. And this is a matte color, and the name of the color is Emerging Taupe, and the shade number is 308. Emerging Taupe is the shade name. And this is also so freaking good color, and you can use it for your professional events or professional daily office. For office you can use this. It doesn't look like very loud or anything. It will turn out to be so pretty. So if you are into you are going to attend a wedding, or you wanted to do that nail extension design on your hands where you only keep your ring finger to be glitter, this is the best shade to use. This is a very beautiful Juice diamond collection. So it's bit of expensive from the other one. It's for 60 rupees, I guess. And the name of the shade is D09 Little Gold. So this is also a very cute collection, and at least it's inexpensive than Lakme and other brands, and the quality says it all. It stays for longer time, and I'm using this brand since 3 years, so I can suggest you to buy any one of these and you can cope up with your daily needs. So these are the colors I have shared you, and I'm a big fan of them, and I really love it, and I really recommend it since the 3 years experience I'm holding. So yeah, so that's all guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I will come up with more videos like this. If you like this nail paint expression, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with a lot other videos. And